Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to do this 3-step dance on TikTok, aka the Camel walk. Okay, so this is the move we're talking about from different angles. Woom, 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 woom. From the side, woom, 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 woom. From behind, woom, 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 woom. Now, I won't just show you straight away, showing this semi-complex move right away. I'm gonna do some simple exercises. We're gonna do 4 exercises, starting up with the simplest one, which is basically just jumping from side to side. Yeah? And the reason why we want to practice this is because you're actually switching weight from side to side, when you're doing this move, But there's an illusion because the other leg is still touching the ground, alright? But make sure you want to practice this a few times, switching your weight completely from side to side, just mini jumps, alright? Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now, exercise number 2. Basically, what you want to do is do the same thing, but now the other leg is going up on your toes. Now, make sure that all of your weight is still on this foot, flat foot, alright? Now, this leg is up on your toes, just barely touching, alright? Boom, boom. Now, if you still don't get this part, what you can do is do an extra exercise where you do boom, still up in the air, but this time you want to point your toes downwards. Boom. Boom, 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 and now touching the floor. Whoop, 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 whoop. Now, exercise number 3 is basically instead of just doing these mini jumps on the spot, you want to jump a bit to the front, alright? So you want to move forward, 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 forward. Alright, now let me show you the twist here from behind. So what you want to do, let's just say we start stepping on our right or jumping on our right, and then the left is going up on the toes, alright? So what you want to do is say 1, 2, and then step this here behind. Boom. Alright? Or to the side, if you will. Okay, so let me show you from a different angle here. What you want to do is go step, and then take a big enough step on the second one to the front, so there's a clear passage here without hitting this heel, alright? So let me just show you again. Step, big enough step so that you can go whoom without hitting this heel. Or the alternative is you can just go whoom, whoom. If this is a small step, then you can just bring this to the side instead, alright? Instead of going here. So you can just bring it here. Let me show you from the side as well. So what I'm doing is, actually let me do it to this side. So what I want to do is I either go first step and then a big step on the second one so that I can do this one without hitting this heel, or I can do small step, and just to the side. Let's just try that again. Stepping on the right, left is going up on the toes. We want to say 1, 2, side. Alright, just keep practicing that. Da, da, da. Now, from here, once you can do this, what you want to do in order to continue, you want to step with the one that's up on the toes. You want to go wah, and then continue wah, and then you can continue from here. Whoop, bring it in whatever direction you want. You can even go backwards like that. Go forward, boop, 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 boop. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the 3-step dance on TikTok, also known as the Camel walk. A big shout out to Steezy for sponsoring this video. If you're serious about dancing and you want to take it to the next level, then Steezy is definitely for you. They have some of the best choreographers in the world, including one of my all-time favorite, Brian Goosepost. So, if you're interested, check out the link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.